Good morning, students. Today we will read about some great leaders. Our chapter is chapter number 11, Great Leaders. Today we will read about some leaders in our chapter. Chapter number 11, Great Leaders. Ria's teacher told her that great leaders do good things for the pupil. She got book about a famous leaders of the world from the school library. But the names of some of them were not clear. Help her to write their names. Here some famous leaders picture available. That one clue box also here. So we have to write their name. Okay, some letters are missing from their name. We have to write there and we have to clear their name. Who are they? They are great leaders. They have done great work for their nations. Now first one is, who is he? He is Abraham Lincoln. Who is he? He is Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was an American statesman and lawyer who served as the 16th President of the United States. He was 16th President of United States. American President he was. 16th President of United States. And in which year? In 1861 to 1865 he was President in America. We will write his name. Mother Teresa Abraham Lincoln. We will write here. A-B-R-A. All letter we will write capital because here middle one letter also written in capital. A-B-R-A. Abraham. A-B-R-A-H-A-M. Abraham. A-B-R-A-H-A-M. Abraham. L-I-N-C-O-L-N. L-I-N-C-O-L-N. Lincoln. A-B-R-A-H-A-M. Abraham. L-I-N-C-O-L-N. Lincoln. Who is he? He is Abraham Lincoln. Children, you have to recognize while watching this picture. Whenever I will ask who is he, you have to tell Abraham Lincoln he is. Okay. He was American lawyer. Now second one is, who is she? Mother Teresa. Who is she? Mother Teresa. We will write here. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. We will write T-E-R-E-S-A. Teresa. T-E-R-E-S-A. Teresa. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. T-E-R-E-S-A. Teresa. Mother Teresa. She is Mother Teresa. Now next one is, he is Nelson Mandela. He was president of South Africa in 1994 to 1999. Third one is Nelson Mandela. We will write here name. Nelson. Nelson, Nelson, Nelson Mandela. 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 Nelson. Nelson. Mandela. Mandela. Nelson Mandela. He is Nelson Mandela. Now fourth one. I know you can tell who is he. He is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. So students, here some great leaders' name with their pictures. Now you have to learn these all names with recognizing their pictures. First one is Abraham Lincoln. Second one is Mother Teresa. Third one is Nelson Mandela. And fourth one is our Bapu, Mahatma Gandhi. We are saying to him Bapu na? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi is called Bapu also. Okay student, you have to learn these all. Okay, see you soon. Bye.